Hello, welcome to the channel Fun Online Teaching and Learning, and of course another video on soft skills. I'm glad to see you back here in the channel. This video is going to make an introduction to soft skills, which are very crucial skills, but at the same time most people neglect to improve their soft skills and learn about them. Once you completed this video, you will realize that our awareness and your awareness about soft skills will be increased, and you're going to look for more resources on how to use and improve your soft skills. So in this video, I want to have a discussion with you about hard skills and soft skills in general. Please feel free to comment below and to join our discussion and share your own experiences about hard skills, soft skills, how they helped you find jobs and during your interviews. You will also find the discussion about the differences between a race car and a race car pilot and a hiker. Also, you're going to perform an activity on your own, which is called SWOT analysis, and also you will learn about yourself more. Here's my agenda for today. Discussion on hard skills and soft skills. What are they good for? And what are they? What is the difference between a hiker and a race car driver, and which one are you? Do you know yourself enough? Map your personal SWOT analysis, and this will be an activity that you're gonna do on your own. During this is the first session of the series of videos that I'm gonna record on soft skills, so please feel free to watch the following and next videos as well to improve your knowledge and skill. Please feel free to contribute and join the conversation by commenting below, and also bring your experience and share your experiences with us. Be mindful while you're doing that, because the viewers are all from different countries, religion, background, and expertise, so please respect the diversity when you're doing that. There will be some videos during the presentations on slides. I'm gonna put and provide their links in the description below because of copyright issues. Please subscribe and turn your notification to be informed from my next videos and to increase your knowledge about soft skills. Here are my references that I used during my preparation for this presentation. I have utilized and read a lot of books, and some of them are textbooks, some of them are guides, but all of them has some sections about soft skills and hard skills, and I kinda merged them all for you in a nutshell. Alright, so let's have a discussion on what is hard skills, okay? Please comment below and join the discussion by defining it. How would you define hard skills? When you say hard skill, when you hear the word hard skills, what do you understand? What does it make you feel? What are they? Please write a few of them. For example, is Java, programming in Java is a hard skill? Is knowing how to fix a bike's tire is a hard skill? Okay, think about all the hard skills, and also think about if they are important and why they are important. I'm pretty sure you have a lot of hard skills that you learn in university, in your education, your job, on-job trainings, and what you're doing, whether you be an expert, an engineer, or a plumber, or a car maintenance guy, or a builder. I'm sure you have some hard skills. So let's discuss why are they important. I think the most amazing discussion can be on where did you learn it? Where do we learn our hard skills? Universities, schools, through education, like formal education? Where do we learn them? And think about your transcript. Does your transcript show any soft skills, or all of them are hard skills? Okay, think about it. Where did you learn it? Your hard skills. Now, as we provoked a little bit thoughts on hard skills, mm, now think about it. How did it go? Did you find any hard skills that you have? Where did you learn? Where did you learn them? Or is there a gap in your knowledge and practices? Now we talked about hard skills. Let's talk about soft skills. The same things. How can you define soft skills? When I say soft skills, what do you understand? Right? What does it make you feel? What are they? What are they? Is writing an email a soft skills? Is communicating or presenting a slide or making a presentation in front of an audience is a soft skill? What are they? Do you think they are important? Do you think hard skills are more important than soft skills, or soft skills are more important than hard skills, and why? Or do you think they are the same? What kind of soft skills do you have? Let's think about those. Okay, and think about where did you learn the soft skills. Check your transcript. Okay, your high school transcript, your university transcript. Do you see any soft skills classes? Think about it. Where did you learn it? Because you wrote down that you have some of them. Where did you learn it? Family, friends, neighbors? Okay, now you thought about soft skills and hard skills. How did it go? Is there a gap in your knowledge? Do you know what is soft skills? What are hard skills? If you find a gap in your knowledge and practices, if you think you're not really sure about what is soft skills, probably you're sure about what's hard skills, right? Because that's our day-to-day base. We hear it, we try to learn it, we get tested on them, but probably you found some gaps in your knowledge and practices in soft skills. Okay, this video is going to make an introduction to soft skills and will explain why are they important and why are they good for. So now let's close this gap. So, we have hard skills and we have soft skills, right? Okay, good. So, what are some other names for hard skills? Have you ever heard any other names that we use instead of hard skills? Okay. Yeah, I hear some of you are writing and saying technical, okay? Yeah, hard skills are also called technical skills. How about soft skills? I'm just gonna give you a hint. It's also called human skills. What else are they called? How do we name it? Some of you may have heard interpersonal skills. Transferable skills. That's strange. Why do we call it transferable skills to soft skills but not hard skills? Okay, how about people skills? Soft skills sometimes are called as people skills and also lift skills. Why do we call it lift skills? Let's think about why is soft skills named this way, right? So we see it in the soft skills. We see people, we recognize the word human, interpersonal. So it's kind of implied that it is human to human, right? And transferable and lift skills, I'm gonna come back to them later. But how are we learning soft skills? Are universities teaching soft skills? Maybe to some degree, but when you check your transcript, you will not see any soft skills. Isn't that strange? Some of the universities, some of the schools, they assume that you already learn it. If you are in a university, they assume that you learn it in high school, right? But we will talk about how you can gain these experiences for soft skills, okay? But the truth is, soft skills are, although they call soft, they are hard truth. Okay, and we will discuss about it why. Soft skills look soft, but they are actually hard truth of modern age. So let me explain some popular cliche to discuss. Okay. Hard skills will get you an interview and soft skills will get you a job. Probably you heard this before. Okay. Hard skills will get you an interview and soft skills will get you a job. Some other cliche. Hard skills, you may have seen this as hard skills would get you a job, soft skills will make you keep the job. Okay. So we need hard skills and soft skills, right? That's what it looks like. You will be hired for hard skills and you will be fired for soft skills. Maybe you are not really familiar with this one. This is a phrase from a CEO of a company. You will be hired for hard skills and will be fired soft skills. So make sure you are also aware of your soft skills, that you need soft skills alongside with your hard skills, and they will make you keep the job, get the job, or not be fired. Okay. But the discussion here is I want to make with you hard skills are developed at the expense of soft skills. What does that mean? While learning hard skills, probably you're neglecting soft skills because hard skills are tested, you have assignments, you get, exams, you gotta do some hands-on applications of something. But soft skills are not really tested, right? It's kind of neglected by people and by institutions as well. So, but we need to make a good balance of both of them. Okay. So if we need to, if we have one day to improve our soft skills, going to a webinar, or if we have one day to learn, another trick in programming, probably people will prefer hard skills, right? Because it looks like an easy gain. But in the long term, actually, we are, developing that new programming piece at the expense of soft skills. This doesn't mean that hard skills are more soft skills are more important than hard skills. It's not that, but we need to balance how we learn and how we can improve both. So that's a big discussion. Please comment below if you have any discussion on that one. And I'm gonna continue with the next video for the continuation of the introduction section for the soft skills. Thank you, and please subscribe and turn on the notifications to be informed about the next video. Thanks.